In Santa's workshop, where Christmas dreams are born, a new toy waited quietly on a big wooden table. It was a toy soldier, dressed in a bright red coat and shining gold trim. He stood tall and proud, even before he was completely finished, surrounded by all the other magical toys being made for children all around the world. In this happy, busy place, filled with the scent of gingerbread and pine wood, our little soldier was about to begin his own special journey. The elves, with their nimble fingers and cheerful smiles, painted him so carefully. They polished his tiny black boots until they shone like mirrors, and they made sure every single button on his coat gleamed under the workshop lights. They painted a proud, kind smile on his face, a smile that seemed to hold a happy secret. But what made this toy soldier truly special wasn't just his handsome uniform or his shiny buttons. It was the tiny spark placed carefully inside his wooden chest. It was a spark of pure Christmas spirit, a little piece of magic, put there by Santa Claus himself. It was a promise of joy, waiting to be discovered. Once he was perfect, the elves gently wrapped the toy soldier in a beautiful gift box. They lined it with soft, silky ribbon and a feeling of gentle warmth, like a cozy blanket. He was meant to be a wonderful Christmas morning surprise, a special gift for a very special child. The box was tied with a big, loopy bow, and he was ready for his adventure. He sat peacefully in the darkness, feeling the gentle hum of the Christmas magic all around him, not knowing the incredible secret that was about to unfold. But when the clock in the quiet house struck midnight on Christmas Eve, something amazing happened. That tiny spark inside the toy soldier's chest began to glow. At first, it was a faint flicker, but then it grew brighter, and brighter, and brighter still. It wasn't just a light anymore. It became a heartbeat, a soft, rhythmic thump. Thump, thump, glowed from beneath his wooden coat. And for one magical night, just until the sun came up, the toy soldier came to life. He gently stretched his wooden arms, blinked his painted eyes with wonder, and slowly, carefully stood up. He stepped out of his cozy box and looked around the quiet living room. He was completely amazed by the beauty of Christmas that surrounded him. The lights on the giant Christmas tree twinkled like 1,000 tiny stars, casting dancing shadows on the walls. The stockings hung by the fireplace, waiting to be filled with treats. Colorful wrapped gifts were piled up, each one holding a secret. Through the window, he could see soft white snow falling gently from the dark night sky. He felt a wave of pure joy, a deep curiosity, and something even warmer. A wonderful feeling that came from the glowing heartbeat in his chest. As he walked gently around the home, tiptoeing so as not to make a sound, he discovered the true heart of Christmas. He saw a child sleeping peacefully in their bed, dreaming happy dreams. On the wall, he saw a family photo, with everyone laughing and smiling together. He watched as the parents shared a quiet, loving hug in the hallway. A single candle glowed softly on a table, filling the room with a warm, peaceful light. The toy soldier realized that Christmas wasn't about the shiny gifts or the pretty decorations. It was about the love that lived in this house, the love that made everything feel so warm and safe. For the very first time, he felt what it was like to play. He found a fuzzy, cuddly teddy bear and gave him a gentle pat. He saw a toy train on its tracks and pushed it along, watching the little wheels turn. He even found a little drum and tapped it softly with his wooden hands, making a happy little rhythm. For the first time, he laughed, a quiet, joyful sound. He played, he danced. He felt truly wonderfully alive. This magical night was full of discoveries, and he wanted to remember every single second of it. But as the first gentle glow of morning began to touch the sky, turning it from dark blue to a soft pink, the spark inside his chest started to fade. The strong, steady thump-thump of his heartbeat began to slow, and its light flickered softly. The toy soldier understood. His magical time was almost over, but as he looked out at the beautiful sunrise, he smiled warmly. He wasn't sad or afraid, because now he knew. He knew what Christmas truly was. It was love and kindness and the joy of being together. He had felt it, and it had changed him forever. He carefully returned to the place where his adventure began. Gently lying back down inside his gift box, he tucked himself into the soft ribbons, just as the elves had placed him. His chest gave one last, warm, golden shine, a final happy pulse, before he became still once more. But he was no longer just a toy. He was different now. He carried a real heartbeat of love inside him, a memory of the magical night, and that wonderful feeling would shine within him forever. And when a happy, excited child opened the gift on Christmas morning, they gasped with delight as the child hugged the toy soldier close. His wooden chest lit up with that same warm golden glow. It was a silent message, a little pulse of light that only their hearts could understand. It was a secret heartbeat shared between a child and their new friend. A Christmas gift, unlike any other, filled with a magic that would last a lifetime. And so the toy soldier lived on, not with footsteps or words, but with a glowing heart, always filled with the true, wonderful magic of Christmas.